Before we can be able to simplify them, we are going to find the two factors of each of them. All right, and in that two factors, one of the factor is going to be a perfect square. All right, now for this number one, here we have square root of 162. The factors of this square root, where one is a perfect square, is going to be root 81 times 2 times root 2. So 81 times 2 is going to give us 162. All right. Now the square root of 81 is 9 times root 2. So 9 times root 2 is going to be 9 root 2. All right. So for the next one, where we have square root 200, the factors of this 200 is going to be 100 times root 2. Now, square root of 100 is 10 times root 2, which is going to give us 10 root 2. All right. So for the last one, we have root 288. Okay. Now, the factors of this 288, where one is a perfect square, is going to be 144 and 2. All right. The perfect square there is 144 because it's a multiple of 12. That is 12 times 12, 144. All right. So here we're going to have square root of 144 times square root of 2. Square root of 144 is 12 times square root 2. 12 times this is going to be 12 root 2. All right. So this is how to simplify surds.